to your September calendar, a quick look at some dates for your diary. First up on Thursday the 13th of September is Roald Dahl Day, when schools across the world celebrate the famous author. Every year, thousands of schools around the world watch the Roald Dahl Day show, which you can register to watch at 2 p.m. on the 13th with your class. The website also includes ideas for dressing up as a character from one of his books and suggestions for planning, activities and lessons. You could choose one book to focus on for the week, or the children could research facts about Dahl and create a biography on him. On Wednesday the 19th of September, it is Talk Like a Pirate Day. Some schools take part in this day and some don't. It's up to you. I guess if you have a topic on swashbuckling pirates, this would fit perfectly for you. Then, on Friday the 21st of September, it is the International Day of Peace. Each year, the International Day of Peace is observed around the world. The General Assembly has declared this as a day devoted to strengthening the ideals of peace both within and among all nations and peoples. The theme for the International Day of Peace in 2018 is The Right to Peace, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights at 70. This would be a lovely day to get involved with in your classroom, whether it be creating peace flags or getting your children to write their own poems about peace. It is worth noting that on Saturday the 22nd, it is autumn equinox, which marks the end of summer and the start of autumn. You may have to think about preparing an assembly for Harvest Festival or encourage children to donate tin goods for a harvest collection. Autumn displays are one of my favourites for a splash of autumnal colour in the classroom. It is the International Week of the Deaf as of Monday the 24th of September, under the theme With Sign Language Everyone is Included, in which the theme is also shared with the International Day of Sign Languages for the first time. What better way to celebrate by teaching your children some sign language? Have a look at their website for more details. On Wednesday the 26th, it is European Day of Languages. On the website you will find a multitude of ideas and inspiration for the day. Perhaps it can be your introduction to learn a language a week to your class. Find out how many different languages are spoken in your class or school and then focus on a different one each week. You could simply teach them how to answer the register in that language or learn to count to 10. Also, if you use the Guardian's Teacher Network, they have lots of ideas, posters, etc. too. The world is your oyster. The world's biggest coffee morning is on Friday the 28th of September, and it is Macmillan's biggest fundraising event for people facing cancer. They ask people all over the UK to host their own coffee mornings, and donations on the day are made to Macmillan. Maybe this is a great fundraiser your school council could support. Although it is on a Saturday, it's also worth mentioning World Heart Day on the 29th of September. Perhaps you could talk about it in a circle time session or do a PSHE lesson on it. World Heart Day's mission is to encourage people to make a promise to live a more healthier lifestyle, get more active and discourage smoking. So that's our quick roundup of events happening in Super September. All links are in the information box below. See you in October for another spooky roundup.